Good morning, YouTube. Chris speaking here, Keeping All Channel. Cindy sent me some pictures in. Good pictures, Cindy. I had to get off Ken's stuff. He's sending me so many pictures. I got to get on somebody else's stuff, okay? So anyways, Cindy sent me this, and what you're going to see is there's a planet going from the center to the left through that little beam of light, past that little planet-looking object. You see it there? It's like a shadow. Right there, guys. So as you can see, Cindy's clearly seen that shadow going through. She sent me 3 clips of it, and I did a little color on each one. It got darker. But I'm also going to filter this. Now, also notice that dark orb that's behind the light beam, whatever the light beam is, guys. Sun simulator. Okay, so that's what I'm kind of showing you. But right above that, there's a planet and a little moon-looking thing. The other spots on the right of that, I'll show you here in a second. The other spots, I think, are just stuff on the lens. They could be other planets. I don't know, you know. To me, I'm going to say there's stuff on the lens. But the other two, one's moving and one's pretty big with like a moon-looking thing. I think that's real. So keep watching. I'm going to do some real-time filtering right in front of you. And that's all I do to my films, guys. No CG, no CGI. That's a real orb going through the real sky. And Cindy's my witness that she sent the footage in. Now here's the original. Hard to see. Let's go in my shop. And I'll show you what I'm going to do here. I'll just show you. It's pretty easy. I'm going to filter right in front of you. I'm in my living room, guys. That's my dog barking and my wife watching Homestead or something, whatever she's watching, some cowboy movie. But my dog's down here wrestling a bone or something, and so she gets kind of rambunctious. Those are not my demons. That's right. They're not my demons. All right. Bye. Now in the background here, you see that circle? And then the larger circle on the outside? Not the little one. The larger circle right there? Anyways, that's the camera. That's the lens set up. And a lot of people show you that little black side right there by the sun. See how it kind of looks like a planet? Don't believe it, guys. I'm showing you the truth here. Some people like, see that? That's the camera. You can see it's the lens, right? Okay, but the shadow going through is real. And when you also see that lens like that, you see it's translucent, so you can see behind it, you know, so it tells you that it's a reflection. But that right there, that's a little planet. Guaranteed. I know it is. So, you know, so as you can see, guys, you can be deceived on YouTube with all the Planet X stuff. People say my stuff's fake, but, you know, that's a question that they have to decide for themselves. But right there, that little orb is real. Now, let me show you a comparison version. It's a little small, but, you know, you can still see it. I'm just going to bring it through the filters. So don't be deceived by the camera lens. WSO, I've seen him do it, and it had a surface on it. It had craters on it. I've seen other people do it. It looks just like this. But the way they do the filter, it looks like a planet, and they'll call the little orbs that might be dirt, you know, moons, right? But we know that's not true. But the little planet going through the beam of light, which, you know, unexplainable from the Sun Sim. Jeff Peak explained that thing probably the best if you go to Jeff Peak's channel. Anyways, keep watching. Gets better. Folks, and now what I'm going to show you is what I believe is these 2 moons that circle planet NIBIRU. NIBIRU. Anyways, I'm going to show you the little model that I kind of go after is a Samuel Hoffman model. I've seen it in the sky so much now I know it's real. Samuel Hoffman is Montana Sky Watchers on Facebook. Go check them out. A lot of pictures there. But anyways, there's Nemesis, the red dwarf. You know, it's only seen by infrared. Istum, the purple planet. I'm not going to give you all the details on them. We caught that one last week, and that little yellow orb from Arizona, Uri, and then here comes Materm, little white moon-looking planet. Here's NIBIRU. NIBIRU has 2 moons. One's kind of stationary. One's flipping around it. And that's why I'm bringing you this model. I want you to see how that Nana is the larger one. It's more stable. And Amosaru is the smaller one that moves pretty fast. Okay, so I think what I just caught was Amosaru going around Nana. Nana's more the stable one. Okay, and the black orb, let's say that's NIBIRU going around Nana, that other smaller planet that's kind of stationary to the left. Okay, we're back at the film. Hang on. Now I'm showing you this shot from Ken to compare with the other shot. This one, you have the small planet like the other one. You said the beam of light. A whole bunch of UFO stuff right there. And that's exactly what it is, unidentified objects in the sky. And then you got this planet up there. Could be NIBIRU. Usually NIBIRU is closer to the sun. But then you got this planet right here beside the sun. It starts eclipsing the sun. This one's a sunshot. You see the ring around the sun? And then the clouds kind of make it even more real looking. Then in the bottom left there of that, I think that's just a UFO up there. I don't think that's a sun or anything. Anyway, this is the best I could tell, guys. Now, I'm going to go back to Cindy's shot in a second here. But those UFOs are like a pearl of moons. Like it's like a stripe. It's like a necklace of moons. You know, if you really do the forensic on it, they look like moons. So they could just be the OCG, optical cluster group that Samuel calls it. Pretty interesting, huh? It's confirmation that the other pictures that Cindy sent in with all the activity around the sun within the same couple hours, I think. Like this was the next morning, but a different location, but it's still confirming one another. There's a lot of activity around the sun and around the moon. And Jesus told us there'll be signs in the sun, signs in the moon, signs in the heavens, you know? Perplexities on earth. You know, rumors of wars, ethnic groups fighting all over the Middle East. So keep watching. Safe in Jesus' name. You have a good one, folks. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow sometime. Bye.